What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. Right there it is, guys. Now, the stock may be down a little today, but your boy has a great bit of news to give you all today. And we're here to celebrate. That's right. We got the Mad Dog in the Twisted TL. And you may be wondering, why in the heck are we celebrating when the stock is down? Guys, I have a lot of great information in this video. Ready to roll like mine, baby. So hope you all ready for this video. Baby? Baby? Baby! Let's go! Alright guys, got the board of information here, and I gotta give credit to an author by the name of Mr. Mark Hake. He came out with this here, and I wanted to put it up here because sometimes visually seeing things will help it just sink a little better, and I like the way that Mark thinks, so I wanted to write this down and go over it. So, he did an article, guys, of why Gnog should be worth 65% more than the current price of where it's at. He gave a price target of this at $33.92 a share, guys. So that should get your spirits up. It definitely got mine up, as the stock is trading around $20 today. But Mark thinks differently, which I think differently of that as well. Here's a couple reasons why Mark thinks that. So, as you know, Tillman, my brother, Tillman owns about 52% of the Gnog stock, which is good. As the shareholder and the chairman, he has 52% of the Gnog stock. Another great thing that is really good to know about Golden Nugget, guys, there's no pipe investors, which means they're not going to be selling off here anytime soon. And when they've got pipe investors, people can sell off after a certain date and the stock can drop down drastically. We have no pipe investors to worry about selling. Here's another great thing, guys. Me, you, and everyone else, the public investors own about 46% of the Gnog stock. So that's right, me and you, we're part of that 46%. Tillman has 52%. Here's some interesting facts, guys. Golden Nugget trades at about 12 times the current revenue. But on the other hand, DraftKings trades at about 19.5 times revenue. Why is DraftKings getting the silver spoon fed to them when Golden Nugget is not, guys? Why are we trading at 12 times and DraftKings is being traded at 19.5? So that's what Mark is saying here about we need to get this trading at 19.5 times revenue. Here is the thing. Mark is saying that Gnog should trade at $33.92 as of the price of $20.59 as of January the 5th. And you guys know, I am the mayor of Gnogville. If you smell now what the Gnog is cooking. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that intro with a little bit of the whiteboard action. That was my first time using the whiteboard, so wanted to get in there and get that in for you guys. So, real quick, got to give a shout out to this stock I did a video on yesterday. If you did not see it, it is on the OTC market. It is called the Score stock. You can get in there and check it out, guys. Ticker symbol is TSCRF, guys. Go check that out. That stock is up 11% today. I did the video. It was at $1.39, and now it's $1.55. So please go check out that stock. It is a sports and media company, guys. I want to show you right here. I did a video yesterday. John Levy, the owner out of Canada, was on the Fox Business, and I think this stock has huge, huge potential, guys. So there it is. Make sure you go check it out before it's too late. If you got a Fidelity account or you got a TD Ameritrade, go check this sports betting app out. There's a possibility in the future this thing could get bought out by one of the big boys, whether it's MGM, Caesars, they said even possibly DraftKings. Who knows who may buy this out? So there's a great chance on this to make some money, guys. So let's get in and talk more about Golden Nugget and that article I was telling you all about. All right, guys, and here it is. Golden Nugget Online Gaming is now public and worth up to 65% more. That's right. There's my man, Mark Hake. Gnog is worth $33.92 using the 19.5 sales ratio from DraftKings stock evaluation. So I covered a lot of the article in that beginning whiteboard information there. So let's go down and talk about the part we didn't cover, guys. What to do with Golden Nugget stock. Based on this information, we can multiply 19.5 times the 122 million in 2021 sales. That gives Gnog stock a 2.379 billion evaluation. After subtracting the 62 million in net debt, the target market cap should be 2.317 billion. Now that we know there are 68.3 million shares, the price should be $33.92. The price is 65% above its price target of January the 5th at $20.59. All right, and he's saying here how online sports betting is slowly gaining acceptance state by state basis. Recently, Golden Nugget signed up the sports betting hotel deals in both West Virginia and Michigan. Guys, this is great. Golden Nugget is gaining reputation as having some of the best matching deposit rates. Apparently, if you deposit $1,000, Gnog will match those amounts and match play up to $20,000. This is going to make online gaming extremely popular in the states where it is approved. Man, can you imagine? So if you deposit $1,000, they'll match that $1,000. But if you deposit $20,000, they will possibly match you up to $20,000. Woo-wee! I need to get out a loan to go gamble here. No, we can't do that gambling. But anyway, we're gambling right now on the stock, and we're gonna win this gamble. So it says here, once the company announces its Q4 earnings, we will have more detailed financial information to value the stock. At that point, I believe it will become more apparent how Gnog has cheap stock compared to DraftKings. The arbitrage between the two stocks' valuation will likely quickly close. I love it because I don't know how long I've been telling you guys since July that Gnog has been so undervalued compared to DraftKings. And that's just me, man. You know, I don't have a problem with DraftKings. I just think DraftKings, for what it is getting a little silver spoon action. I don't think they should be where they're at. Gnog is a much better concept and company. And the big things is, guys, men and women both gamble on Gnog. Only young males are gambling on DraftKings. Gnog is cash flow positive to where DraftKings is cash flow negative. So why is Gnog getting beat down when DraftKings should be the one beat down? So I love Mark here in this article because he summed up everything that I believe, man. I agree with Mark 100% in this article. So we go down here. Golden Nugget Online Gaming makes it clear it wants to have access capital being more public. Here's what that means on a practical basis. They are going to push up the stock before selling equity. In effect, this was a very smart move by Fertitta. He did not follow the typical route of giving pipe hedge funds a discount at $10 per share like most SPACs. By selling shares at a much higher price, there would be less dilution and higher upside for Gnog shareholders. So, guys, keep that in mind. I know Tillman ain't been out there for us. He's not in the trenches. He's not giving us the pumps on TV like we want. But you gotta love Tillman that he did not let pipe hedge funds get in here and buy this for $10. As we know, I do like the BFT SPAC, but unfortunately PaySafe has a ton of pipe investors. So you got to watch out on that stock, guys. That stock will plummet eventually when all those pipe investors sell off and take their profits. But we don't have to worry about that with Golden Nugget. Tillman did not let these pipe hedge funds come in and buy them. He did not allow it. So if you believe the calculations are right by Mark, you now have an early insight into what will likely happen. The bottom line, Gnog stock is worth at least 65 more or $33.92 per share. I don't even know what to say after reading that, covering this article, doing the whole intro and the whiteboard. Guys, I think we need to take a toast. If you have any beverages out there, I don't care what you got, please get a beverage ready. I'll give you 5 seconds. All right, get your beverages ready, guys. We're going to take a toast of this stock going to the moon because I have a great feeling after this article, after these Q4 earnings come out, man, this thing is going to go. I don't care if you bears are out there on this stock. We are going to have days as bulls when this thing is up over 30 bucks, and I believe it's going to get there in a matter of time. And I'll hang on to my shares till it gets there, and I'm so excited. So let's get to it. That was a great taste of Mad Dog, guys. Let's get in here real quick and take a quick peek at the charts on Gnog. All right, guys, and here we are on Gnog on the Yahoo Finance. As you can see, we ended the day at $20.17 in the after hours. We did pick up a little bit, and we ended the day at $20.25. So, market cap today, $1.37 billion. As you saw in that article there, my man Mark says we should be over $2.3 billion roughly on our evaluation market cap, guys. And if we go take a peek here at the Robinhood, I couldn't be more happier with my shares. And I tell you what, I was really considering today, guys, to go in there and buy an options call, man. I'm not gonna lie, I was really thinking about it. I don't have no buying power now. I was buying some shares. I'll come back in another video telling you all what I've been buying recently. You guys know I bought that stock to score on the OTC market. I have 100 shares of it, so that is one I bought, and I'll come back in a future video, guys, tell you some other stocks I've been buying. But this video was just focusing on Gnog, man. I'm still rocking the 110 shares, average cost of $13.14. And I think Mark is right. This stock should be a $33.92 price tag all day long. I just could not agree anymore. And once we get there, man, it's going to be so excited we can get even near that price. I can start selling those covered calls and getting those weekly premiums in. I hope that updates here soon. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video, man. If you did, please hit that like button. Please leave a comment down below and tell me how you like the whole new setup of getting some facts on the whiteboard, coming back in here to the studio in a sense, and giving more of analysis. So guys, I love and appreciate every single one of you, man. I put a lot of work into this. I thank my wife for helping me out with all this too, man. The wife has been so supportive of everything I've been doing on YouTube, and this has been a dream of mine, and I'm so excited to be here and feel like I'm finally following my footsteps in my stock market YouTube journey in life. So guys, you all are the best, man. I hope this video gave you a lot of information and at least put a smile on your face. So guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. 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 Let's